Hey boys and girls, welcome to Mr. Chase's STEM Lab. Glad you can be here today. So today we are doing film canister rockets. Now some of you have probably done this with me before. It's a crowd favorite, so you'll definitely recognize it. So what's going to happen? We got some water and we got some Alka-Seltzer tablets. Now you might recognize these. You probably see them at home. You get a little sick. You might take some, put in a cup of water. You see it get all fizzly. And then you start drinking some of it. But that's not what we came here for. So, as you know, when you place this in water, you see all the bubbles are popping up. It's a chemical reaction. So inside of Alka-Seltzer tablets are sodium bicarbonate and citric acid. So you know sodium bicarbonate as baking soda. Now what happens when you mix baking soda and like vinegar? Fun stuff happens. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to mix the Alka-Seltzer tablets and water. Now what we want to do is put it inside of our film canister and we want to trap the gas. So when we put, we're going to take the tablet, we're going to put it inside, we'll fill it about halfway with water, put the cap on, set it down with the cap down, take a step back, and watch the magic happen. So that's what we're doing today. So you want to make sure you have some water handy. I put some food coloring inside of it. I'm going to pour my water in the cup so I have the water nice and handy. Got my film canister. Make sure you have a nice solid cap. I got my Alka-Seltzer tablets, and as you notice, I broke them into quarter-size pieces and half-size pieces. So just a quick refresher. What's going to happen is take your piece of tablet, put it inside my imaginary water, fill it up halfway, hurry up and put the cap on, set it down, take a step back. So, everything makes sense? Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so now we're ready to get started. Got my canister. I have my pieces of the tablet cut into quarter and half size pieces. I have my cup of blue water. Blue's my favorite color. So, if you remember, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill no more than halfway with water, and we're gonna put a couple pieces of the tablet in there. So to make this thing really go boom, you wanna make sure you got the right ratio of water to tablet. So if you put too much water or too little water or not enough tablets or too many, you can play around with that so you can experiment and see what changes happen. So let's go ahead and do a couple rounds, shall we? Oh, you want to make sure the cap is nice and tight or else it won't build pressure. So actually I'm going to pour the water first. I got 2 quarter-size pieces. There we go. Remember, you want to set it down, cap down. Actually, let's do 3. Because why not? Alright, not too bad, not too bad. So, go ahead and give it a try. If you figure out the right ratio, definitely let me know. If it's a half piece and a quarter of water or half water, let me know. I want to hear your thoughts. Feel free to reach out to me. You can always change this up too. If we have some supplies handy, you can take maybe some cardstock paper and actually build a little paper rocket to attach to the body of the canister. So you can make a little rocket. You know, we just had the shuttle launch the other week, so that'd be pretty awesome. So yeah, please reach out if you have any questions. If not, I'll see you next time. Thank you all for joining me in Mr. Chase's STEM Lab, and come back again.
Same gig. I have a little bit less than half water and about 4 or 5 already used Alka-Seltzer tablets. So I'm gonna see how it goes. Oh, there it is.
Nice.
There it is.
10 points if you catch it.
That was cool.